The Naga legislatures of Manipur Legislative Assembly, 6 of us, on behalf of the Naga legislatures, would like to appeal to the publics of Manipur publics to immediately rethink, come down and stop the so to say communal tension which has been going on now. As a Naga's legislature, we would like to appeal to all of them to come together and sort out across the table. There is no issue, there is no problem that cannot be solved if we sit together and discuss. We like to appeal to the people to think and come together. Now whatever loss is occurring now is a loss for everyone. There is no winner in this kind of issues, in this kind of activities. Everyone will be the loser. When we destroy the property, maybe government property, maybe private property, it's a loss for everyone. Therefore, we would like to appeal to all the stakeholders, all the communities, all the publics to come together and sort out whatever is the problems that we may have.
Sir, an archaeological situation in Manipur since last evening. So do you feel that there were some security lapses on part of the government? I
will say that there is no security lapses, but it becomes uncontrollable. It becomes uncontrollable because of the rumors that spread everywhere like a wildfire, and everywhere it started creating problems. You see, it was unexpected. We don't expect this will happen because people who are organizing rally, they said it will be a peaceful rally. Government took precautionary measure, whatever government have to take, but it suddenly happens. Now I will not say what sparks this whole episode which we are witnessing now, but sooner or later government will come out with a very clear picture how it happens and why it happens.
How many casualties have been there? How many property has been damaged so far?
No, as of now, see, as a Naga legislature, we would like to only say that we would like to appeal all communities to come together and let us live peacefully together. This is our only appeal. As of the casualties, government has its report. I think I will not be able to tell the exact number, how many casualties so far.
Sir, do you think that viewing this present condition, do you think that people are not happy with the present government?
I would not say that, because government has been doing all we can for the welfare of the people. But incident happens. See, it is unexpected things, because this is not something which they are against the government. If something happens unexpectedly.
So has the government initiated steps to evacuate or rescue stranded and the people who are rendered homeless by this violence?
Yes, we have identified the locality. We have started rescue operations since early morning. Round 4, some vehicles are sent to those areas where we have identified that people are stranded. But since state force alone cannot manage, we take little time waiting for the paramilitary force to assist the state force.
So today a fleet of paramilitary forces already arrived. So how much of the forces are being demanded by the government in order to tackle this?
I don't know exact number or the number of forces that government have demanded, but whatever state required, Honorable Chief Minister is initiating all this.